Today I am talking about Silver Eagle prices,
My life.
and how the premiums are shooting up. Hey, I'm the Stacking Stormtrooper. If you're new to the channel, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a guy in a bucket talking about precious metals, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and get the bell notification clicked. That way you get updated with any new content. So my friends, American Silver Eagles
3 years of my life.
have been on quite the tear lately, and it is no surprise to many of us that the premiums continue to hold steady as the spot prices continue to hover around $24, $25 an ounce. I'm going to compare where we were about 6 months ago to a year ago with American Silver Eagles
The most wonderful year.
and where we are today. I wonder how much more bird poop we're going to see in this video. So here we've got the spot prices, and as things have been kind of getting progressively worse with the pandemic and the China and United States trade war continues to ensue, we are now seeing spot prices all the way up in the $24, $25 range. So what this has done to American Silver Eagles has really put quite a high premium on American Silver Eagles.
Yeah. Oh.
Which, you know, is kind of crazy to think how just maybe a year ago, many of us were buying American Silver Eagles
I think that's too emoose.
It is, they.
at between like $370, $400 a tube. So what I want to show you is what the American Silver Eagles
These last 3 years.
are currently doing on a few of the different websites that I purchase my Silver Eagles. And one of them is AppMechs. And right now we are looking at a tube of AppMechs, a tube of Eagles on AppMechs at $725.60. And this is for Eagles of any date. I always tell people to buy random year, brilliant uncirculated Eagles. And right now you can see that an Eagle is going for $36.28 on that price for AppMechs if I were to pay by e-check. If I were to pay by credit card or PayPal, then that transaction would be a little bit more costly. The other thing too is that you would have to pay tax in most cases. Some states are exempt from having to pay that tax, but the majority of us would have to pay tax on top of that. So you're actually talking upwards of maybe like $40 per an American Silver Eagle, whereas just like I said, like a year ago, we were paying anywhere between $17 to $20 per Eagle, which is just absolutely astounding. So here we are at $725.60. That's just like the raw price without tacking on the tax. If you go to Bold,
Wonderful. I have fallen in love with you.
Bold right now has them for $33.20 a piece, and all in it comes to $664, and then tax to be calculated. So you factor that in, depending on where you are. So that would add another substantial amount to the cost of those Eagles. So,
Hey! Could you stop it? Birds, stop it!
so maybe put those right around like $35 a piece. So we've got now AppMechs at around $725, and you've got Bold Precious Metals at $664. When you check out JM Bullion, another website that I have recommended to many of my viewers in the past, if you were to pay by check or wire for 20 Eagles, random year, the unit price is $32.35, so coming to $647. Again, if you were to pay by Bitcoin or what have you, that would be $653, and card or PayPal is $673. The other thing too is, guys, keep in mind when you are paying by check, sometimes the processing takes longer in order for that transaction to go through. So one of the benefits, if you were to pay by PayPal, is that yes, you will be paying a more of a premium on those coins, but you would be getting a faster turnaround. So that is something you do want to keep in mind. If you are willing to pay a little bit more, but to get them in hand sooner, that is an option. And then lastly, over here, Provident. I also do some purchases off of Provident. I put in 20 American Silver Eagles any date, and right now you can see it's at $646. So between JM Bullion and Provident, their pricing is relatively the same in most cases. As you are aware, JM Bullion owns Provident Metals, but right now it appears that both JM and Provident have the better pricing if you were to be purchasing Silver Eagles right now. And again, keep in mind, guys, there's no sense as to where this is going. Many people are saying silver's going to hit $40, $50 an ounce, $100 an ounce. Guys, please do not listen to them. They don't know. Just like I don't know if silver is going to crash. What you have to ask yourself is what you are comfortable with. And my right here, Provident. Look at this right here. Due to extreme volumes, orders may take an additional 2 to 3 business days to ship, guys. They are getting busy at some of these online dealers. One thing you want to just kind of keep in mind is what you're comfortable with, what is in your budget, and what you are looking to do. If this is a long-term hold, then I would say, yeah, buy it. And if the prices come down, buy a little bit more to dollar cost average down. If you're looking to be flipping these, that's a totally different ballgame, and we could talk about that on a future video. But for now, I just wanted to point out to you guys just the historical pricing of these American Silver Eagles. Again, back in about a year ago, I was paying around $375, $373 a tube, upwards of like $400, and I would hem and haw over that. And now here we are with prices anywhere between $640 something to $730 per tube of Eagles. So we are in a crazy time right now, my friends. It's uncharted. We haven't seen this in quite some time. So hold on to your hats, guys.
I love you so much, Jason.
And I would just like to quickly thank these elite channel supporters. If you haven't already become a channel member, please check out the awesome perks and join today. With that, I'm the Stacking Stormtrooper. Check out these videos, and until next time, long live the Empire.
You are the most beautiful woman in the world to me right now.